Welcome to Spark Minds Educare. Today we are going to discuss about what is chemistry. Chemistry is the branch of science that studies the composition, structure, properties, and changes of matter. It serves as a foundation for understanding the interactions between different substances and the world around us. This presentation will delve into the various branches of chemistry and their significance. Understanding chemistry begins with its basic concepts: atoms, molecules, and compounds. Atoms are the building blocks of matter, while molecules consist of two or more atoms bonded together. Compounds are substances formed from different elements, showcasing the diversity of chemical interactions. 1. Matter. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. It exists in various forms, including solids, liquids, and gases, each with unique properties and behaviors that are essential for understanding chemical reactions too. Elements and compounds. Elements are pure substances that cannot be broken down, while compounds are substances formed from two or more elements chemically bonded together. Understanding these is crucial for grasping the basics of chemical reactions. 3. The periodic table. The periodic table organizes all known elements based on their atomic number and properties. It serves as a valuable tool for predicting the behavior of elements and their compounds in chemical reactions. 4. Atoms and molecules. Atoms and molecules. The basic building blocks of matter are atoms, which combine to form molecules. Atoms consist of protons, neutrons, and electrons, and their arrangement determines the properties of the resulting molecules. 5. Chemical bonds. Chemical bonds are the forces that hold atoms together in molecules. The main types include ionic, covalent, and metallic bonds, each contributing to the stability and properties of substances. 6. Chemical reactions. Chemical reactions occur when substances undergo a transformation to form new substances. Understanding the reactants and products involved is essential for predicting the outcomes of these reactions. 7. The role of energy. Energy changes are fundamental to chemical reactions. Reactions can be exothermic, releasing energy, or endothermic, absorbing energy. These concepts are vital for understanding reaction mechanisms. 8. Acids and bases. Acids and bases are two important categories of chemical substances. They have distinct properties and behaviors, and their reactions can significantly impact the outcomes of various chemical processes. There are some branches in chemistry. 1. Organic chemistry. Organic chemistry focuses on the study of carbon-containing compounds and their properties. It plays a crucial role in the development of pharmaceuticals, plastics, and more. Understanding organic reactions is essential for advancements in many scientific fields. 2. Inorganic chemistry. Inorganic chemistry deals with the properties and behavior of inorganic compounds, which include metals, minerals, and organometallics. This branch is vital for materials science, catalysis, and understanding geological processes. 3. Physical chemistry. Physical chemistry combines principles of physics and chemistry to understand how matter behaves on a molecular and atomic level. It explores concepts like thermodynamics, kinetics, and quantum mechanics, providing insights into chemical reactions and properties. 4. Analytical chemistry. Analytical chemistry involves the techniques and methods used to determine the composition of substances. It is essential for quality control, environmental monitoring, and forensic analysis, ensuring that we understand the materials we encounter. Understanding the branches of chemistry is crucial for grasping the complex nature of matter and its interactions. Each branch contributes uniquely to scientific advancements and practical applications. Highlighting the importance of chemistry in our daily lives, there are many applications in chemistry. Chemistry plays a crucial role in various fields, including medicine, environmental science, and materials science. Understanding its fundamentals allows us to innovate and solve real-world problems effectively. Most of the challenges are despite its advancements. Chemistry faces challenges such as environmental concerns, safety issues, and the need for sustainable practices. Addressing these challenges is essential for future progress in the field. Finally, understanding the fundamentals of chemistry is essential for appreciating the science of matter. It provides the foundation for further study and highlights the importance of chemistry in our daily lives and the world around us. Thank you.